Hey, what's up, guys? Ronnie Creates here, also known as Mr. Maribozu, and I'm gonna go over this FOMC trade that I just took about 2 hours ago. Closed out, didn't want to be greedy. I caught about 48 pips, so let's go over it. Um, Now, this setup is based off the H4, but for the replay on TradingView, I'm just gonna go ahead and run it from the 30-minute. So I drew my fibs from the low here, 4-hour low to the 4-hour high. You see here we have this supply area where we rejected, so I was anticipating further rejections from that, which we got. Now, I was expecting further downside on this correction here, but we respected that 61.8, and ideally I would have loved to have been in the trade from here, but I was being lazy last night. This was around 9 p.m., and I should have been in this trade for the long haul there. So let's proceed. We started rising, got that upper trend. That was another entry. If you didn't get down here, a more conservative entry would have been that break there. Boom, up. Would have been clean. Let's continue. Now, once we got this bullish engulfing there, clear indication that bulls are in the market. So around here, I entered after this candle this morning. I was in and I saw that, okay, we were testing, and I closed out with a little bit of profit. I was like, all right, we're rejecting this area. I don't like these wicks. And then as you can see, we started coming down, and I jumped out. So I got a little bit of profit there. And I was like, all right, we have FOMC. Looks like the market is testing this level, so I'm just going to wait and see what we can get. And as we got closer, we started to see that the bulls were entering as I kept watching on different time frames. This is where I was like, okay, I'm going to look for a buy in this area after more confirmation. You see, a majority of this stuff was already set up because obviously this is the replay mode. I didn't want to lose these key confluence areas. So we then were trading above the 38.2 rejection area. We created this level of support, like a double bottom off of bullish engulfings. Okay, and then look, our bodies are respecting the trend line as well as our wicks respecting that trend line. So this is by confluences here, guys. By confluences. So boom. And I entered after this candle here. This is at 12 noon. Came back down. Boom. Alright. So this is where it's important. Once I saw this bullish engulfing at 1:30 p.m., knowing that FOMC was at 2 p.m., I was like, okay, alright, the bulls are here. But once this next 2-hour candle came, I had the stop loss on, and I took the stop loss off because I figured that, okay, we have bullish momentum, but the issue will be that when news comes in, we'll get a whipsaw, and I did not want to be wicked out for it to go up on me. That would have made me so sick. So here gave me the confidence that if I had to manually close my trade, I would. But there's just so much confluence here, guys, that why would I want to close out my trade and why would I want to lose? Like, this is a bullish engulfing with a lot of power telling me, hey, we're going up. Hey, we're going up. So we would literally have to close under this level, break this trend line, break this support, break this 38.2 for me to want to close. It just doesn't make sense. That's a lot of barriers against me. So I took my stop loss off and it paid off. So check this out. Boom. That's ultimately what happened. Let's pull it back here. Replay. Boom. So I got out at the top of this candle. So, all right, we're up. Got out of there. Got out of it for about 48 pips off the 15-minute candle, around there. Didn't want to be greedy, and as you can see, this is what happened. We came back right to the starting point. This level here is a key area, and we're trading there. above 0.70. So there's a battle between the bulls and the bears here for what's going to happen next. If you go on my key levels chart, once again, we're trading still above these red lines, which means that's a daily level of support. Once we close above that daily level of support, that's more confluence that we'll be able to continue up. So that's basically my trade there. Quick 48 pips with a little bit like a news wick there, but it worked out in my favor. This is what it looked like from the 15-minute and book profit. All right, thanks guys.